Hello everyone! Welcome back to Learning Through Videos with Pasal. On today's video, we're going to talk about 500 common verbs. I'm Robbie from Pasal. Alright, no more waiting, let's begin. Be, have, do, say, get, make, go, see, know, take, think, come, give, look, use, find, want, tell, put, mean, become, leave, work, need, feel, seen, ask, show, try, call, keep, provide, hold, turn, follow, begin, bring, like, help, start, run, write, set, move, play, pay, hear, include, believe, allow, meet, lead, live, stand, happen, carry, talk, appear, produce, sit, offer, consider, expect, suggest, let, read, require, continue, lose, add, change, fall, remain, remember, buy, speak, stop, send, receive, decide, win, understand, describe, develop, agree, open, reach, build, involve, spend, return, draw, die, hope, create, walk, sell, wait, cause, pass, lie, accept, watch, raise, base, apply, break, explain, learn, increase, cover, grow, claim, report, support, cut, form, stay, contain, reduce, establish, join, wish, achieve, seek, choose, deal, face, fail, serve, end, kill, occur, drive, represent,